pays attention, no one gets hurt.
Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Ah, finally!
Don't do any crap!
Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Come on! In the back! Come on! Come on!
Hands behind your back.
Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it.
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up. Listen up.
Em, get these
What's he
assholes in the
doing?
closet!
He's gonna kill us
In the
here.
back! Come
Leave
on!
us alone!
Hurry!
Shit to you!
All set! Phone it in!
I'm making the call.
All right, we gonna do this?
Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
Oh! There it is! Remember, just the non-sequential bills.
There's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
We gotta move! Coming out, B!
Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I'll remember you.
You forget 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eye! He's crazy!
Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get going! There'll be time for grieving later!
Yeah, you got that right.
Come on!
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens!
Fuck the cops! T, hit the shutter switch!
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is! Come on! Go!
Don't be an idiot!
Back the fuck down!
Get in their faces!
Get down!
They answered the wrong call!
We keep going forward!
Move! We're coming through!
Don't be as dumb as you look!
We bring it to them!
Drop it, prick!
Wrong profession!
I ain't laying down for them!
Let's move! Come on!
Can't be many more cops in this town!
Bring them!
This is fucked, man! The thing is blown!
I got my share! It's still wide open!
Get out of here!
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence!
Cars up here! Let's go!
Move! Come on!
The kid might have bailed! This wasn't in the job description!
Move! Move! Move!
Come on, guys!
You shouldn't have been a cop!
Press forward!
Come on! Get to the driver!
I hope he's waiting!
We got a window! Let's go!
Let's move it!
What took you so long?
Shut the fuck up and drive!
Woo! Did you see that shit? I fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Blah, 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 blah.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go! Jeez, I think they're gonna... Fuck!
Local yokel spotted!
Guy's a dick!
Come on, let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there!
Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! We ain't made this car yet!
Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man!
You guys all right?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, all right? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan!
What?
Stick to the fucking plan! Come on!
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Oh, the fucking bed! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine! We gotta get the fuck out of here! Ah, fuck! I'm hit! Oh, Jesus! T, you gotta get out of here!
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go! God, I'm not gonna be... I'm fucking gonna bleed out! Go!
No! You fucking cocksuckers! Hey, you! You, hey! Where's the chopper? Fucking stay back! You come near me, she's fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!
Michael was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves, so perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin, and we die in sin. And in this, Michael is like anybody else. Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I didn't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements.
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just did.
Oh, well, I think that's all we have time for. Same time next week?
I guess. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc. I know just how you feel.
Man, shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Another brilliant Lamar Davis production.
Man, fuck you. Hey, excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto Beach House is?
No, homie, I cannot.
Man, won't you come on? Fuck.
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there, with the yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't realize.
See, what you don't realize is we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Legit? Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all? Yeah, right.
You the one all pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie. Yeah, homie. This the spin knot right here. Your boy Simeon wasn't bullshit.
Man, get your ass in there.
Hey, bring your ass, fool. Always trying to boss somebody. Come on.